My name is Glauber Loures Assis. I'm calling in from Brazil to let you know that I will be in Esalen very soon, leading a workshop on rapé, the sacred tobacco snuff. I live in the mountains of Minas Gerais, Brazil. I have a PhD in sociology, and I've been working with sacred plants, plant medicine, biocultures, and indigenous communities for about 16 years now. So this is not only a workshop, this is also a cosmic embassy. We are going to be together, different people from different backgrounds, different cultures, different languages, sitting together to share, sitting together to learn. We all know that we are facing a very, very challenging times right now. The world is on fire, many people are suffering, but we still have the possibility to make a difference in our lives, in the lives of the people that we love, in the lives of the community we belong to. And indigenous cosmologists, they teach us how to be present, how to take care of ourselves, to take care of the environment, how to also think about a better future, an ancestral future that is rooted in community, in presence, in plant medicine. And that's the reason behind bringing plant medicine to Esalen. We are part of a sacred cosmic dance that involves indigenous peoples, the forests, different biomes, the mountains, territories. We are going to show our guests that plant medicine is not about drugs at all. It's actually about harm reduction. It is about ancestry. It is about education. It is about ethics. It is also about integrity. It is also about cultivating bonds of kinship with nature, bonds of kinship with indigenous peoples, with ancestral technologies. It's ultimately about respect. There is this old, wise person from Brazil that says spirituality is respect. So we guarantee that we respect you, we respect your lineage, we respect your background, but you're also here to respect indigenous ancestry.